rain, go away. Come again another... Maybe we can make this rain work for us. If not, maybe we can make the kids work for us. If you make work fun, the kids will help you work. So, with the rain, we have got Megan and Matthew out here sweeping the sidewalk. They enjoy playing in the rain anyway, so this is not child abuse. This is our child work. We're just letting the kids play out here. They're enjoying the wet weather. So they're out here. They got the little broom going. And they're scrubbing away at the sidewalk here. While they're out. Oh, Tabusna. I don't know Tabusna yet. Oh, and the other worker? The other worker is right here. When it rains, she just comes outside, sits alongside the house, and continues her work even. So, I think she enjoys being out in the rain too. So. But it's cooler out here today, so makes it a little nicer out here. There's Matthew out here splashing in the puddles. You like the rain, Matthew?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes? Where's your sister at? Where's your sister at? See if we can walk up here and find your sister somewhere. Huh? I don't see anybody up here. I don't know where they ran off to. Oh, there they are. They're back here. Hey, I was up here looking for you. Where y'all going? Whee!
Yes. Papasukin na kayo kung takbo-takbo kayo. Rain, rain! Rain! Nato, waway utama kayo.
The grass is greener on a rainy day. So, are you looking for the brush again? You gonna start again? That's one way to get the sidewalk clean there. Well, I think Mom was trying to spray me there a little bit. Hey, I got a camera up here. I got a camera up here. Don't be trying to spray me down. Matthew, oh yes, cold rain. How do you enjoy that rain when it's so cold, Matthew? Oh, there comes the second brush. There they go. Hey! Woo! Scrub it good. Scrub it good, Matthew. Scrub it good. He would have more fun than just anything else. That's all right. When you're in the Philippines, you just gotta have fun. Can't let a little bit of rain stop you from anything. So just have fun, enjoy yourself. Let the kids play. That way you can entertain them and you can keep yourself entertained as well. So, and then they're going over to the other side now to sweep off over here. So let's see what they're going to do. I don't know they're doing much cleaning, but they're having fun. That's all that counts, having fun. So. We had some, it was pretty good drainage, but you know, it drains down that bottom yard, and that bottom yard gets full, so still got to think of a way to get that, or trying to get the ground leveled off out there, so that'll help in one way. But that's another project to do, and once we get that done, then maybe it'll level it off. Drain the water out like it's supposed to. Right now it's all sticking up down there, so. But give them something to play with. Who needs a swimming pool when you got rain? You racing? Oh, race! The race is on. Woo! Be careful. Don't break your brush, Megan. Don't break your brush. These little showers come through each night, each afternoon. Right now during the rainy season. These showers come through about every evening, around 3:34, 4:35, somewhere like that. You get a good rain shower, and then it'll usually clear up. Not clear up, but the rain will stop. And we go ahead and we do our barbecue outside. So that's just one of the things of being out here. You know, you got to deal with the rain, deal with a little bit of rainy afternoons, but so far the days have been pretty good, other than the little afternoon rain showers we've gotten. I don't know of any, I haven't checked online, but I don't know of any depressions coming in. I know there's talk of one down in Manila or something like that, but that could affect our weather up here if it spins the right way and pulls that monsoon rain up to us. But other than that, these are just regular afternoon dog day of summer showers, so it's nothing more than that. But hey guys, if you like this video, give it a
big thumbs up for the rain.
For the rain, big thumbs up for the rain. Leave us a comment.
Down below.
Leave a comment down below. What about if somebody hasn't subscribed yet, what should they do? Want to subscribe to the channel if they haven't subscribed already. So I guess that's one way to end the video. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed watching the kids play in the rain. A little bit of rain shower here. Other than that, have a good day.